Yo guys, welcome back. Ang pagbabalik. Nga pala guys, meron kaming gala dinner sa company namin sa The Palm, Dubai. So guys, samahan niyo ako ngayong gabi ha. Hindi yung outfit ko guys. Nakapang ano no? Mangas! Guys, see you there. Peace! Guys, dito ako susunduin dyan. Company bus namin. Okay. Ito yung Riga. Riga guys, puro kabayan dyan. Makikita mo dyan eh. Karamihan kabayan itong lugar na to. Dalawa lang naman sa Dubai ang ano eh. Maraming kabayan eh. Kung hindi Satwa, Riga. Yan. Yung puno ng mga kabayan yan. Mga nakatira. Kaya pag lumipat ka rito, hindi masyado nakaka-homesick. Kasi may makikita ka mga kabayan eh. So guys, mamaya na lang ha, pag nandun na tayo sa The Palm, Dubai. Guys, ayan yung chutuhan sa Dubai. Mga spots. Ha? Guys, malapit na kami guys. Guys, papasok na kami. Sino? Yan? Ayun yun? Wait. Dami. Dito. Yung kapay namin guys. Oh, this way. CR muna kaya tayo. Sayang muna tayo guys. Tignan muna natin yung outfit natin. Yeah, it's my friend. Sorry, dito. Guys, this way. Hello. Oh, picture tayo, pre. Wait. Oh, may photo booth dito, pre. Photo booth dito. Pwede dyan. Yan, rin naman yan, oh. Photo booth na yan.
Dito din pa kayo dati?
Oo, dito rin. Safe. Hi, bro! Hello!
Wait. Guys.
Guys, ito na yung venue namin. Yun, oh. Yan. Angas. Guys, so pag gusto mo uminom ng alak, yan lang, dito. Okay, so stage start up. Dito guys, relaxing. Tama ko si Martin, oh. Martin from Abu Dhabi.
Hi sir, how are you?
Kasama ko mga tropa.
And the days of fire.
Ano manalo? So guys, mag-iossi muna ako. Peace! Wala pa yung mga staff namin ibe. Hindi pa nag-i-party. Guys, ito yung buffet. Yan, inaisa nila. Yan. Mahaba yan, guys. Salud. Smile. Hello. Guys, buo na yung grupo ko. Ayan o. Yan. Yan. Buo na yung grupo ko, guys. Kunti pa, may mga kulang pa eh. Yan.
Good evening, everyone. Oh my gosh. Are there really 600 people here? Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
There we go. Thank you. Really pleased to see everyone here tonight. This clearly a much bigger, louder, more fabulous event. The tables have really stretched right into the bushes. And as Rincy just told me, if you're not sitting in a bush already, by the end of the night, you'll be lying in one. I just want to get it out of the way and say a huge, big thank you to Kevin and the team. I mean, we're just getting started, but this looks absolutely fantastic, guys. And I know Kevin's head is just about to explode. If you just see him there, he's literally just about to go off like a firework. But really, I know there's been a huge amount of effort going into this event, and I just wanted to thank you, Kevin, personally, and your team who is scattered everywhere tonight. I'd also like to pay a special tribute to our guests of honors before we get started. So we have Sevda. Please get up, Sevda. Sevda is the head of HR from Cigna International. So you can hand her your CVs during the course of the night. We also have Cynthia, I can see, from our legal and compliance team in Cigna. Clearly they were worried about something, so they sent Cynthia today. And I know that we're being joined by at least a couple of others, and please do make them feel very welcome today. So about a year ago, or maybe 13, 14 months ago, Kevin and I were discussing when to schedule this event. And I think if you remember, I think the previous events were done around February time, right? So, you know, I was like, look, let's move this event to November, December time, end of the year, so we've got something to celebrate, something to talk about and reflect on all the successes. And Kevin said to me, I don't know what people would think about this, Imran. People will get very nervous if you start shifting the gala of Nas Neuron. But I think we really made a fantastic decision, because I think we have so much to celebrate as a business and as a team here today. This is not going to turn into a town hall, so I'll keep it very brief, but just to mention a few of the successes. And again, get ready to applause at all the moments. So first of all, we've achieved our highest ever insured membership of 1.7 million members. So that's a really staggering achievement. We've added nearly 200,000 members just this year alone. So that's a good news. All the department's hard work across the business achieving that. We've had fantastic claims performance.
1.7 million members.
Voucher. Alright, ready for the next 5 gifts? The first winner is Reshmi Suji. Congratulations. The second winner
Hi, how are you? Tayo guys, ayan yung kinuha ko guys. Ayan. Ayan, rice, beef, fish, tapos yung puno. Ayan, cake. Kain tayo guys. Kain na yung mga tropa ko guys. Oh. Ayan, utip na rin mga tropa ko. Doctor, say hi. Doctor. Hi.
big and a great organisation it is. It's a pleasure for me to be here to present this award. So this award for innovation goes to the team that's introduced innovative processes that contribute to client satisfaction or improved efficiency. So,
How much?
the winner of the Innovation Excellence Award for 2024 is the Software and Data Management team.
Guys, ang ganda rito. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Ganda. Nakaka-relax. Guys, ayawan na! Let's go! Woohoo! Kimpis yata. Oo, kalimutan ko. Yan guys, so diba? Nakaka-relax. Guys, Oh, party na. Salamat sa pagsama nyo sa akin, ha? Sa susunod ulit, nanalo tayo ng Samsung tablet! Woo! See you! Susunod na video. Peace! Yo, what's up guys? Nakuha na nga pala natin yung gift natin, yung sa raffle ng gala party ng company namin guys. Ito nga pala yung guys, Galaxy Tab S9 FE. Yan guys, ang nakuha natin sa raffle. Ngayon guys, samahan nyo ako, i-unboxing ko na to. Tingnan natin guys kung ano naman ito guys. Tablet eh, no? Malupit. Hindi na ako makikita ngayon ni bagong-bago guys. Okay na mga sabi daw nila pag mag-unbox ko, ganun daw eh. Ito guys. Uy, buksan na guys. Tingnan mo. Ayan guys. Uy. Kaya tayong ano yun. Okay. Kinukuha sa kabila. Wait guys ha. Ayan guys. Itong ano, serial number niya, SN serial number. Tapos, ito iangat lang ito yun. Iangat guys. Tapos, ano ba ito guys? Innocent one ako dito sa mga ganito Ayun, sa ilalim pala guys. Open. Yes. Yes sir. Ang laki din pala guys. Oh. Harap. Guys, Samsung. Kasi yung camera niya. Diba? Yun guys. Lavender yung ano niya, yung color niya. Kung babae ito pero okay na rin. Diba? Makakita sa Pilipinas. Dito sa UAE, nasa 1,100 to. Kaya siguro mga nasa 15,000 to. Diba? Tapos may kasama siya pen. Ayan, diba? Susulat ka, diba? Pwede, diba? Tapos, ano ba mga kasama niya ito? Yung ano niya, yung pin. Pagkalapitan mo ng SD card, tsaka SIM card, tingin ko. Tapos manual. Tapos ito, ano ba ito? Yung charger niya. Okay, so, bubuksan muna natin. Nakakita nyo naman yung Samsung. Ayun! Grabe, nakakit naman ito. Tapos, may stylus pen siya. Kasama. Ayan, guys, sulit-sulit. Uy, welcome! Start! Siyempre, English. United States tayo eh. Malapit tayo dyan eh. Ayan. United Arab. Yun. Okay na guys. See you guys. Pag-aaralan ko muna to ha. Kasi mag-YouTube muna ako eh. First time ko na magka-tablet. Hindi kasi ako mahilig dito pero binigay ni Lord eh. Peace!